Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume problem on VIVO V60E. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply telling you that we change the volume by clicking volume buttons. And if you have it set to something like this, there is a very high chance that your volume may be low. However, if you have increased the volume and you can see that it's really still low and you have no idea why, well, then you want to check your Bluetooth. As you can see, if you are a cautious viewer, you probably saw our Bluetooth icon already, which would mean that I have connected some sort of earbuds or headphones to my phone. But I just have them opened and I don't really know that I had them connected. And now it's very important that you know that if I would play any kind of sound, my speakers inside my phone would essentially be useless, and instead the sound would be played on our headphones. So technically, if we have them nearby, we could have an illusion that our volume is really low, while in reality the speakers are not playing anything and it's the headphones that are doing their job. So you probably want to just turn off your Bluetooth, and now we are sure that our audio isn't being rerouted. However, if you have already done that and you already don't have any kind of Bluetooth device at all, and yet you still have a low volume problem, then there is a very high chance that we might have a physical problem here, not software one. So what you want to do now is you just want to clean your speakers. Now, it's very important that you don't use any kind of metallic tools, so no needles, no pins, no whatever. You just want to use, I would suggest soft toothbrush, maybe wooden toothpick at best, but once again, nothing metallic, because if you will just try to stab your speaker with like a needle or a pin, there's a very high chance that you will just break it even further, so just be careful when doing that. And after you have cleared your speakers, everything should be working, yeah. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.